Egg is one of the most commonly eaten foods in the world. According to a research, children who eat eggs in the breakfast have a stronger immune system than those children whose diet includes eggs occasionally. In today's video, we will talk about why it is important to eat eggs every day for a good health. Eggs contain a unique type of protein that is not found in meat. Its bioavailability is 100%, which means that it is 100% absorbed in the body. There are different types of proteins found in both egg whites and in egg yolks, which are essential for skin, hair, and nails. Eggs contain abundant amount of vitamins A, D, and E. Vitamin A is important for eye health and skin health. Vitamin E is an excellent antioxidant that protects the body from inflammation and free radical damage. Therefore, it also works as an anti-aging agent. Vitamin D is very important for skin, bone, hair health, and immunity. Egg is one of the very few foods in which all these fat-soluble vitamins are present. To my patients who have a deranged lipid profile, I recommend including an egg in the diet. Eggs contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are good fats. In addition to this, it has the ability to increase HDL, which is good cholesterol, and reduce LDL, trace minerals, and other vitamins. Eggs contain trace minerals such as iodide, selenium, zinc, phosphorus, vitamin B12, and vitamin B6. An egg contains so many nutrients that it is difficult to find all these nutrients together in any other food. So it's wise to include eggs in the diet. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.